Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you wheat roti. Ingredients for wheat roti: 1 tomato, 2 chilli chopped, little coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 6 number garlic cloves, 1 small piece of ginger. We have to grind tomato, garlic cloves, ginger, black pepper and cumin seed as a paste. 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup, that is 1 carrot shredded, 1 onion chopped, 2 cups of wheat flour, required oil and required salt as per your taste. We're going to grind the tomato, garlic cloves, ginger, pepper and cumin seed. So we are transferring all the things to the blender jar to grind. See, we grinded the told ingredients as a paste. So we will proceed further. We are adding the grinded paste to the wheat flour, that is atta, then chopped green chilli, chopped coriander leaves, then grated carrot, chopped onion. So we're going to put everything, we'll make as a dough all the thing. It is grated coconut. Going to add the required salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients together, including the wheat flour. Instead of doing daily idli and dosa, so we made a change today. We are thinking of making wheat roti. Add required water. So we are preparing the dough. You can add little oil or ghee at this stage. It gives softness to the roti. So the dough is ready for wheat roti. So we have to make the dough like this and leave it for approximately half an hour. So it will give you softness, that's why. So we will leave this one for half an hour. Take out small portion of the dough. You have to make like this. Then we are using polythene cover. If you are getting banana leaves, you can use banana leaves also. So just grease the polythene cover. Tap like this to make as a flat round shape. So you can make as much thin you can. It's very tasty, very healthy. And tawa get heated up. We are greasing the tawa. We're going to transfer this one to tawa. Apply a little oil on the top. If you want, you can add ghee also, but we are using oil. We're going to turn the roti to other side. It's nice color it is. Yellowish, golden color. It's a natural color. We didn't add any color in this one. Little oil. So we're going to turn other side. Approximately you leave for a minute one side. Then turn. So it's properly cooked. I transferred that one to the plate. We are doing the same thing for the other one. Grease the polythene cover. If you have banana leaves, better use that one. You have to spread the dough like this, the polythene sheet. As much thin you can. Grease the tawa, the second one. So we have to fry all the rotis in the same manner. So apply oil, then turn to other side, apply oil again, then fry. Fry till it cooked. So you should do all the rotis in the same manner. So this is third one. Third one is also cooked. That's it. Finished. See, we made 3 rotis, wheat rotis. No need of any side dish. If you want side dish, there are so many chutneys in my channel, you can check. So it will go with tomato sauce also well. That's it. This wheat roti is ready to serve. Wheat roti from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.